Hey, it's Ryan from upfitsupply.com, and in this video we're going to be installing some door thresholds from Holman in our Ford Transit cargo van. Let's get started. Okay, Holman does include instruction guide in the box. It's fully illustrated, tells you exactly step by step what to do. We're of course doing our best to follow this, but make sure you reference this for the ultimate source of information. We're going to start here at the back. This is our rear threshold right here. This is a stainless, or not stainless, an aluminum product. And basically what this does is it protects the floor right here, gives you a nice grip step location for the rear door frame right there. And so it's going to sit like this. So what you need to do is just hold this up, make sure it's centered in between the walls of the van and get in a good location. Now, I did notice a couple of things as I was test fitting this earlier. You know, you can kind of drop this down right here. It does protect this full lip right here, but it does give you this angle right here and a little bit of a lip right here that could become a tripping hazard. And so what I'm gonna opt to do is actually bring this forward and have it sit on top of the door frame back here. It's a little bit more level. It doesn't give you the protection of this part of the door frame, but you're not gonna trip over it. Basically what you're gonna do is hold it in position, and we're gonna mark these locations because we need to drill some holes. Now, one thing to note on the alignment here is we do have our cutout here for our emergency tire release mechanism. You wanna make sure that you can access this if you need it. So it's one thing to take into consideration. The rest really is up to you. I'm trying to get this as close to this rear door as possible, but not overlapping it. Then we're just gonna hold down on this firmly and mark our locations. Now, when drilling into the vehicle, you're always going to want to use a drill stop. It's going to keep you from drilling a lot deeper than you intend to, because once you break through that metal, it just kind of sucks the drill bit through. We'll go ahead and drill our holes now. Now, you're going to need a plus nut tool to set the plus nuts in here. We sell these on our website. They're like $5. They're just little disposable plus nut tools. If you don't have one, they make kind of some handlebar style setting tools as well. Sometimes you can get away with using like a nut or a larger nut or something like that to compress these, but just get this like $5 and use it for the entire upfit. Now, the way that these plus nut tools work is you actually take a wrench, and there's a location right here where you can grip the actual plus nut tool itself, and then you're just going to drive this bolt into the nut. It's going to compress this part of the body of the plus nut, and it's going to crimp on this sheet metal, and then it gives you a nice threaded location for attaching your accessories. It's back in place. Then finally, they give you this little rubber gasket to put in this hole, so you're not going to collect debris and all of that underneath your threshold here. That just about does it for the rear door. Let's move on to the side door. Okay, at the side door, it's going to be very similar. Hold this in place, mark, drill, plus nuts, attach. So we're going to hold this up against the side of this inset step as much as possible. You know, this could potentially go up like that, but I don't like how that looks. So I think this is the location we're gonna go with. We can still use our track right here. Partition track is still open, so this looks like a good location. Now, I don't have a marker that's long enough to get through this hole and hit the body of the van, so I'm just gonna use a punch here to make the mark. Again, I wanna make sure I'm putting plenty of pressure on this. So another tip on using these plus nut tools is to spray a little bit of oil on these threads. It's gonna prevent the bolt from getting too hot. Sometimes it just generates a ton of heat, and then the bolt head will snap off of the bolt body, and then you're stuck with the plus nut that's set with part of the bolt stuck in it. So this is just helpful if you're running into heat issues. Now, one question we get is why doesn't this threshold go all the way and cover the side of the step right here? And the reason is because then it would interfere with our partition. Our partition actually comes out right over this location, and so rather than having this underneath the partition and screwing up the measurements and all that with that, they cut it a little bit short because it's designed to work with all other Holman products. Now that just about does it for the installation of these door thresholds. Now if you're looking for these products or any other equipment to get your van or truck ready for work, you can find it at upfitsupply.com.